What is up, guys? Coach Cowden back with another video. And today, guys, I want to talk about MetaTrader 5 and hooking up your broker, as well as utilizing our copy and paste trade method from our free group to as well as our VIP group. Let's jump into the screen and get started. Okay, guys, using MetaTrader 5, copy and paste, and just really truly making it a reality. But first and foremost, I'm going to put out a disclaimer, guys, because I'm not a financial educator. I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to put this video out here for informational purposes only. Screenshot this, read through it, but I'm going to jump into MetaTrader 5 and what that is. Just to give you guys a quick outline, what is MetaTrader 5, how to connect your broker, quotes and pairs, signals and alerts, market execution, sell limit, buy limit, managing your trades, and time to catch the bag. That's what we're going to go over real quick in this outline. What is MetaTrader 5? Well, guys, MetaTrader 5 is a powerful trading platform for various financial markets, providing advanced tools for analysis, execution of trades, and portfolio management, right? This is developed by MetaQuotes software. MT5 is a user-friendly and offers comprehensive charting, technical indicators, support for algorithmic trading. It's available on multiple devices, enabling traders to access their accounts from anywhere. Now, guys, in this slideshow, a lot of the screenshots that you're going to see are coming from an iPhone, right? I like to execute all my trades on my phone because it's quick, it's easy. It allows me to access my trades anywhere in the world that I have access to Wi-Fi or a cellular plan, right? And so I really, truly like to use my phone. Now, I do my chart markups and so much more on TradingView and my computer, but here today in this video, the screenshots that you're going to see are from a mobile application of MT5 on my iPhone. Now, Android looks a little bit different, but you can follow along as well. So connecting your broker, guys. So you've set up a broker, they've emailed you some details, and you're like, all right, I don't know what to do with this. So now you've downloaded MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. And once you get into that, a message is going to pop up having you create a demo account through the MetaTrader 5. Let's exit out of that. Go to the settings screen. It should already be on the settings screen. It's going to be down in the bottom right-hand corner. Right here, it's going to look like that. You're going to hit settings. And what you guys are going to see is some bubbles here. The very top one going to be new account. You're going to select new account and you're going to pop up to a box that looks like this where it says brokers. Now, obviously mine's already in there because I've already searched for the broker and put it in. But what you're going to want to do is in that email that you receive from your broker, they're going to have a server type and the server name, and you're going to want to type that in. So once you start to type it in, guys, be on the lookout, because if you created a demo account, sometimes their servers, one will be a server live and one will be a server demo. So you want to make sure that you're clicking on the right server, because when you go to log in, it's not going to let you log in, right? So here, mine's the server is the same, whether it's a demo or it's a live account. So I found Liquid Markets Pty Ltd, clicked on that, and the next thing that pops up, guys, is use existing account, and it's going to show where your server is, and it's going to have an option for your login and your password. That information is also going to be in the email that was sent to you. So definitely make sure you check your emails. Sometimes those broker emails show up in spam, so just go through your spam folders if you've already created the account, get that information, and once you get it all entered in, you'll have been logged into your account. You should be on a screen that looks like something like this, the quotes and pairs screen down here in the bottom left corner. If you're not on this screen, click it and you will see your quotes and pairs. Now, search for the pair up here in the top, up the top of the MetaTrader 5 app. You're going to be able to search for and add new quotes. If you don't see the quote that you're getting ready to trade on there, this is how you're going to execute that. Now, if you're following along in our group chats and such, a lot of what we trade, a lot of what I trade is gold, and that pair goes by, or that symbol goes by XAU USD. Typically, that's not on this quote screen, so that's something that you're going to want to add. You're going to want to type that in up here, XAU USD. As you type that in, multiple pairs will start popping up, and there will be a little green plus button next to it. Make sure you're clicking on the right one, but then hit that plus button, and it will add it to your quote screen. So add the pair to the watch list, and once you've selected the pair, right, a pop-up window might appear. If prompted, select show symbol or add to market watch, or just hit that plus button, depending on what type of platform you're on. But the steps are going to be kind of the same. Now, going into signals and alerts, guys, this is for our VIP or our premium users only, or if you're taking a part in the 2-week free challenge that we've given. This is our signals chats, and I just want to make sure that you guys are adding these. You're pinning to them top, you're pinning them to the top of your Telegram. You're turning the alerts on right down here. It'll say mute or unmute. If it's muted, make sure you unmute it, mute all your other chats, because you do not want to miss the signals. Now, why I've got these up on here is because I want to show you guys the different types of signals and how to execute those. So going into the next slide here, we're going to talk about market execution. Market execution is a trade alert that means get in now, right? So wherever it's at, you want to hit that. Now, if this was within like 20 seconds of it being called, you're right around entry point. And unless something crazy is happening in the market, you're right around the entry point. But you'll see here at the entry where it says this is the entry, your take profit 2, and your stop loss. So this means get in now. You want to verify that your entry is right around there just by a few pipettes, and you want to enter within seconds to minutes of the trade being called. Typically, there will be an entry price. Always make sure you're double checking to see if the metrics are close to entry before entering. Why do I say this? Because sometimes, guys, the markets move so fast, you've already missed the trade. And, you know, the trader that's calling these alerts might not even had a second to even say, hey, take profit 1's already been hit. So just make sure you're verifying the entry before you're entering the trade. Now, down here, you're going to see a take profit 2, and a stop loss. Now, what I do, guys, is obviously you're going to copy this take profit 1. You're going to put that here in your take profit. You're going to copy the stop loss. You're going to put that here. And then this is like a buy. So you would hit buy. Now, these numbers don't match up because they're two separate screenshots. But if this was a Euro NZD and I had Euro NZD trade open right here, the numbers would be pretty similar. This is actually from a gold screenshot because that's what I trade a lot of. So that's why you see these numbers being a little bit different. So once you've hit, you know, the buy, the trade's executed. Now, a lot of you are going to ask, well, what about TP2? Depending on your risk management and such, you can open up a second trade and enter in TP2. Kind of what I do, and we'll go into this in further videos, is I manage the trade, set alerts for the TP2, and I take partials. And we'll go into that in another video. So make sure you subscribe if you're on my YouTube channel to get those videos. Now, limits and stops, those are a little bit different. So a sell limit is placed above the current market price when expecting a price increase after a certain level. So essentially right now, like here's an example of a buy limit. Here's a sell limit. So sell limit means 1950. So once it hits that entry, it's going to open up and execute the trade. So this is a predicament of where the charts are, you know, where the market's going. A sell limit, a sell stop. Sell stop is placed below the current market price when expecting a price decrease. So for instance, if you know, gold is currently sitting at 1913 and I want to enter at 1915, I'm going to set the sell limit for 1915. You know, because I'm currently at 1913. Once the market rises to 1915, it will open up that trade and it will execute the trade, hopefully, right? And it's going to be the same for a sell stop, buy limit, buy stop. Now, managing your trades, right? Now, by holding down on an open trade, it'll allow you to modify the position or close the position in full. Now, this is going into a little bit of how I manage those trades and taking partials. If you hold down and modify the position, it's going to allow you to take a partial. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hold down on the trade. This little menu will pop up. You're going to hit modify, and it's going to allow you in there. You'll see, like, say you opened up a trade at 0.4 or, you know, 0.4, right? And you want to take a partial. You're going to change that lot size to 0.2 or whatever it is that you want to take out of the markets. And then you're going to hit, you know, close trade. Once you've changed the lot size, if you've changed it, for example, to 0.2 and I close that, it will close this 0.4 and it will leave 0.2 open in the market. So my entry point and everything will be the same. I've just taken a partial. Now that's kind of what I do for my TP1s and TP2s. But like I said, I'll go over that more in detail on the next video. Guys, if it's in the blue, it's on you, right? I love to say this because if a trade alert's called, or if you've taken a personal trade and you see it go into the blue, which means it's into profit, it's on you, right? Don't get greedy. Don't get into the mindset of, I just want to see more. I want to see more. Make sure you're trailing that stop loss and you're protecting the bag, right? Because remember, in the world of trading, success isn't just about predicting market movements. It's about managing risk and nurturing the right mindset. Embrace risk management as your shield against uncertainty, right? And cultivate a resilient mind that thrives on learning and adapting. Your journey as a trader is not just about financial gains, but about personal growth, discipline, and the power to turn challenges into opportunities. Stay vigilant, stay focused, and let your commitment to risk management and a positive mind guide you towards the sustainable success in the trading arena, right? I love that, guys. So if it's at blue, it's on you. Thanks for coming into this video. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because you do not want to miss out on the next videos that are coming up in this trading basic journey. Talk to you soon.